In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Pandadoc template. Let's dive right in and explore how you can efficiently design a document template using Pandadoc. First things first, you'll need to log into your Pandadoc account. If you don't have one yet, you should set it up before proceeding, as it will be your primary tool for managing and editing your templates. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left menu on your screen. There you'll find a section labeled Templates. Go ahead and click on it. This section will be your starting point for all template customization and adjustments. Now, with the template section open, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a button marked Template. Click on that to initiate the process of creating a new template. Pandadoc provides you with multiple options for starting your template. You can choose to start with a blank template, upload a file, or use the template gallery. Let's break down these options. If you select a blank template, you will begin from scratch. This approach gives you maximum control over the design and content, allowing you to tailor everything according to your specific needs. If you have an existing document in Word or PDF format, the upload option is ideal. This feature helps you convert your existing files into a Pandadoc template, thereby saving time and preserving your document's original layout. Alternatively, if you're looking for inspiration or need a quick solution, the template gallery offers pre-designed options. These templates can be customized as needed and are great for quickly setting up standard documents. For this demonstration, let's choose to start with a blank template. Once you're in the template editor, you can begin adding your own text, images, tables, and various formatting elements. This is where your document starts to come to life, molded precisely to fit your requirements. Pandadoc also offers a variety of fields you can easily drag and drop into your document, such as signature lines, text boxes, date fields, drop-downs, and checkboxes. These interactive elements make your documents dynamic and easier to fill out by recipients. Now look towards the top part of your editor for the Manage button. Clicking this allows you to add roles such as client or sales rep. Assigning roles is crucial as it allows you to map these placeholder roles to actual recipients when you send out the document using this template. One advantage of Pandadoc is that all changes are saved automatically, so you need not worry about losing any of your progress. When you're ready to use your template, simply hover your mouse over to the left panel and select Templates, then navigate to My Templates. This section houses all your customized templates, making them easy to access and deploy as needed. And there you have it, your specially crafted Pandadoc template is ready to use. Follow these steps and you'll create effective documents that save time and enhance communication with your clients. Happy documenting!